5-minute Christmas appetizer that's macro friendly and super simple. I bet you have these ingredients in your kitchen right now, and if not, they're super common. You'll be able to grab them and throw this together for your next holiday gathering. That is macronutrient friendly, so it is guilt-free, my friend. It's gonna not break the bank, and it's gonna not break your waistline either. Hello and welcome. If I haven't met you yet, my name is Alicia Jones. I'm so glad that you are here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. We're gonna dive right in because today is a recipe demo. We're gonna make the shape of a Christmas tree on a plate out of fruits and veggies, and I'll be kind of showing it to you as we go. Sound good? Now this is just a plate I had around, so grab whatever plate you want for your holiday Christmas creation here. We're gonna start with, and by the way, I'm assuming that you've already washed your fruits and veggies. So I have, these are broccoli. See, we're gonna make sure we use lots of nice fresh fruits and veggies. We're gonna also cut up some cucumbers, which I cut up and washed here. And we're gonna start shaping the bottom of the Christmas tree on the plate. All right, so we've got green on the bottom, right? Can you see that all right? Okay, yes, I think you can. Then we're gonna take some cherry tomatoes and we're gonna make a nice layer of red right in the middle. All right, so we've got your cucumbers, broccoli, cherry tomatoes, and so far these are all veggies. Obviously, you know that they count as carbohydrates when it comes to macros. And then we're gonna make a really nice layer of cheese. Now this is really cool. This, my friend, is string cheese that I cut up with my scissors. It goes super fast to cut that up with scissors. Just a little hack for you. Quite literally, I just chop one of these into about 7 or 8 pieces, okay? So we have then a nice layer of cheese. So now we've got cucumber, broccoli, tomato, and cheese, and you can kind of see it's coming together here. So far we have the shape of a tree. Now we're kind of making it like a triangle, right? Because it's the shape of a Christmas tree. The next thing I recommend that you add is some nuts. I happen to have cashews and pistachios. You just use whatever's in your pantry. I like to show options because I believe that with macronutrients, it makes it super simple. Any food allergy, any restriction, any preference you have, macros are totally flexible because every food counts as a macro. So it's pretty easy. So I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of pistachios here. This is like a layer of pistachios. I might throw a couple cashews on there too, because you know what? My boys like cashews. I don't know if your kiddos or your grandkids like cashews. So far we have cashews on there, pistachios, and I'm kind of shaping it in a triangle. Can you see that's kind of coming together here? Now what you can do for the star is just some cut up orange pieces. See? This is actually a little mini tangerine that I grabbed at the store, and I'm gonna cut them up. This is just the little slices right here, and then I'm gonna kind of shape them like a star sticking out the top so it looks festive, okay? Because one of the things about appetizers on a party, you know, display is that you want them to look festive. So that's kind of cute. Okay, now then on the very bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and put some pretzels. These also count as a carbohydrate. And these happen to be this shape. You can use whatever shape you want. If you have the stick shape, that's even better because it will look like the bottom part of the tree here. So I'm gonna put these on the bottom. They're brown, obviously, so they kind of look like a, the bottom of the tree. Okay, and then we have, in just a few minutes flat, a really beautiful Christmas tree shape appetizer that is macro friendly. Can you see that? I'll take a picture for you and make sure I put it in this video. I'm also gonna list out the ingredients in the description of this video. But this is really fun. It's a totally guilt-free, beautiful appetizer that you can make in under 5 minutes. Have your kids help you. And you know what? It gives everybody healthy options when you're at the party, because that is one of the best things I can tell you about going to holiday parties. Have fun, enjoy the family, enjoy the friends. The food is there for sure, but always think of food as fuel for your body, even when you're at a party. So if you have healthy options like this, that's setting you up for success, right? So you feel your best. Not only keeping your waistline trim, that's cool and that's very helpful for health reasons, but also just your energy. So you have the energy and ability to make memories with those people at the party, and you're not feeling tired and bloated and yucky, you know, after you eat, all right? So So that is an option. And you know what? Let's just face it, if life happens and there's all sorts of sugary treats at the party, because that happens too. That just happened the other night. As a matter of fact, we were at a Christmas concert and there was the most delicious, gorgeous baked goods on the table. And you know what? Here's what I will tell you. Just have one bite. Just be reasonable and in moderation. That's exactly what I did. I went by the table with my kids. We each grabbed one. We ate half of it and I threw the rest away. So you know what? Just a quick tip for you when you're at parties, have small portions of the real sugary stuff and do your best to bring really fun stuff like this so that you have an awesome, healthy choice for yourself that's macro-friendly, keeps you on track, and it's really easy to make because you saw that we made this in under 5 minutes today. If you want more recipes like this, make sure that you download my app, Pocket Health Coach. There's all sorts of recipes in there that are like this, macro-friendly, and wonderful for holidays and any time of year. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.